Hello everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to share tweets on Facebook. To do that, you open the Twitter application, tap open Twitter and then get logged into the account. Now for you to share tweets on Facebook, you need to find the tweet that you want to share first. So from the Twitter, I'm just gonna select a random tweet that I want to share on my Facebook page. So this is the tweet that I want to share. For you to share it, all you have to do is tap on the share icon. It will give you this option of share tweet. You can send it via direct message or you can copy it link and share via phone to the other platform or the other application on your mobile device. Likewise, if you tap that, you will have the direct option to share it to the other social media platform in the below options like Discord, Newsfeed. So for sharing it on Facebook, you tap on Newsfeed. There you can see the twitter.com. That is, this post will be shared on Facebook account of yours. Once you've done this, you can write a caption for your Twitter shared post. Likewise, you can choose the option who can view your Twitter post or make changes to the privacy settings. Then tap on post on the top right and that post will be shared to your Facebook account very easily. This is how you can share tweets on Facebook. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.